What's up guys, I'm 𝔸𝕬𝕠𝕕𝕦. Welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about my November favorites. I think I skipped a few months this year because everything's just been really hectic over here. So yeah, we're gonna do November. If you would like to see that, please keep on watching. If you aren't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up if you like videos like this. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I have my notes on my phone. This favorites list is a little bit different. It's a little bit all over the place because I wasn't really wearing a lot of makeup in November or trying out makeup in November, so this list is a little broad. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the Josie Maran Whipped Argan Oil Face Butter. I got sent this in PR, and I knew of Josie Maran, but I didn't know the hype of Josie Maran. Not until recently when I was seeing other girls do their Sephora favorites or what products to pick up for the Sephora haul. I seen a lot of people talking about how they wanted to get this and the body cream. I do have the body cream as well. It's amazing. I get the hype now. So I've been trying out this face butter, and it's unscented, which I know a lot of people prefer when it comes to their face products, and it's so good. I don't even know if I could show you guys the texture. It's just like a typical cream, but it's really nice. I'm not sure if you guys can see the sheen that it gives. It's a really nice face cream, especially used to prep your face before you put on makeup. I love it. For the most part, while wearing it, I didn't have on any makeup, and my skin just looked so youthful and glowy. And I started to realize that my skin started to look a lot better while using it. It's probably a matter of consistency because I was putting it on every day. Every time I wash my face, I put it on, and it was just, I started to notice a difference with the texture of my skin and how healthy my skin was looking. So I'm 100% sure it was this that started to make that change in my skin. So yeah, I understand the hype now, guys. This is really good. Okay, next up is a fragrance. This is Marc Jacobs Perfect. Okay, so I got it in the 3.3 fluid ounce bottle. Usually I don't buy fragrances in the biggest bottle because I typically don't go through a whole bottle of perfume. I interchange them so much that I've never really depleted one bottle, except for Prada Candy Floral. That's my favorite. That's my go-to. I was seeing ads for this, and it was something about it that just was I need to go to Sephora and smell this. I wasn't even in the market for a new perfume, and I went and I smelled it and I fell in love with it. It just smells so good. To me, it's my personality in a bottle. It's everything I would want a perfume to smell like. According to Sephora, it's floral. It definitely is, but it's a floral with warmth to it, and that's what makes me like it. I do like floral perfumes, but that undertone of amber and that warmth, it does it for me. It has key notes of daffodil, almond milk, and cashmere, and that's another note that I love, that warm cashmere. Okay, so it says this perfume opens with juicy notes of rhubarb and a bright daffodil that reveal and comfort heart of almond milk, and finish with a soft dry down of cedarwood, cashmere, unconventional yet harmonious clash of fresh florals and calm smoothing notes. That's everything I could ever ask for. I love the floral and I love the warmth of this perfume. So let me put some on. Is it just me, but I can't really spray perfume on my body. I get a rash, so I have to literally spray on my clothes so I don't get a reaction. And that's even with my really expensive perfumes. I don't know. Okay, the next product is a hair product. I wish I could give you guys an example of how amazing this product works, but I have braids right now. This Mousse by Mielle. Amazing. If you're a naturalista and you like to wear your hair out, you need to try this mousse. It's amazing. I've never really been a mousse girl. I would put mousse on my wigs to set it, but I've never used it on my real hair. And this one is made specifically for curly girls. What have I been doing all my life? This makes activating your curls so much easier. And I've used a lot of it while I had my hair out, and it's probably up to here right now. I use a lot. With this product, you don't even really need anything else. Like, you put it on and it just immediately clumps your curls together, and when your hair dries down, it's shiny, and the formula gives your curls a type of hold that's soft to touch, but it's held. I believe you could find Mielle at Target, maybe Walmart. If you guys see this, I highly recommend it. Okay, the next product kind of, I don't know if I should say shocked me, but I wasn't expecting to like it as much as I do, and that's the Anastasia concealer. Anastasia had quite a year. I'm not sure if it was last year that was like all that hoopla going on online. Everything's just been jumbled up together for me, and I don't know, it kind of left a bad taste in my mouth with them. I just seen a lot. I was seeing a lot of stuff that I did not like, and the products that they were putting out just didn't call to me. So I was sent this for review. If it wasn't sent to me, I probably would have never tried it because I love my Pat McGrath concealer so much. But I got this concealer in 18, and it's like a tinge darker than me, but like it works. And I've been wearing this like without foundation. I just put it under my eyes and spot conceal. I love the formula. It does cover. It's nice. It's a really nice concealer. If I didn't just buy another Pat McGrath concealer during the sale, I would probably buy another one, but it's a nice formula. You guys should definitely try it out if you haven't already, but I like it. I like it. Okay, next up is the Milani matte lipsticks. Like, I have on one right now. I have on Desire. Yeah, I think it's 5 or 4 shades. I'm not really too sure, but I know I have all of them because you guys know my relationship with Milani. I love Milani. But yeah, these lipsticks are amazing, and they're so reasonably priced as well because, you know, it is Milani, a drugstore brand, but these are really nice. Like, this whole lip combo right here is Milani. Milani is definitely doing it for the girls this year. But yeah, it is a matte lipstick, but I have on a gloss on top of it. Just to let you guys know what the gloss is, I have on their Keep It Full Max First Kiss lip gloss. Yeah, I put it on top because I felt like it was looking a little dark, so I used that to tone it down. But these Milani lipsticks are everything. Let me swatch some for you guys. This pink color right here is called Secret. This one right here is called Desire. This one's called Sensual. And the last one is called Tease. I know at one point these lipsticks were sold out, and it was for a reason. I know it was very popular on TikTok. Like, I go on TikTok, but I really go on TikTok for the laughs. But I know in the makeup community, like, they were loving these lipsticks. So yeah, guys, there's pretty much a shade for everybody, and they're really nice. I think like my last few looks, I've used Tease. Like in my lip liner video, I used Tease. They're all really nice shades. And while we're at it, let's talk about Milani's liners. If you guys haven't saw my liner video, I swatched a few of Milani's liners, and this liner formula is amazing. I know I keep saying amazing, but everything in this video is amazing, and this liner is also amazing. This is in the shade Rich Cocoa. It's the last one right here, and I have it on today as well. You guys know I love a good lip combo, and Milani gets it right every time. Okay, so the next product is something that I never thought I would give in and buy. Well, I didn't give in and buy it. My boyfriend bought it for me, but I never would let him buy it for me because I just thought that it was super expensive for no reason, and that's the Dyson. So I'm very surprised to be telling you guys that this is one of my November favorites. It's amazing. It's honestly amazing. This product is worth all of the hype that it receives. Currently in my collection, I probably have 3 blow dryers, so I definitely did not see the need for this. And every time I buy a new blow dryer, I do see that sometimes with price the quality is better, or it performs better, and this one definitely jumps up in the quality. It's like, this is how it looks like standard. You can use it like this, but natural girls, there's this comb attachment. Life-changing. I know you can put a comb attachment on any blow dryer, but I never found one that fit the blow dryer that I had. So having this changed the game for me. I was blow drying my hair and taking a paddle brush at the same time, and I no longer have to do that anymore, and this dries my hair so fast. I probably blow dry my hair in less than 15 minutes. I split my hair in 4 and I just go through it. My hair is pretty much straight when I blow dry using this, and I don't even use it on the fullest heat because it gets pretty hot. I don't use it on full heat. It definitely does what it's supposed to do. I think this will make a good holiday gift to yourself or to a loved one. It's the attachment, you know, the attachment makes it a winner. Actually, there's 5 attachments. I know when the Dyson first came out, I don't think it came with much attachments, but now when you buy a Dyson, it comes with 5 attachments. So yeah, there's the comb, this attachment, which is for like direct heat and air, for like if you're using like a brush or you want to do a blowout, you can use this one. The diffuser for natural girls, you know, diffusers like disperse the air in a way that it doesn't make your hair go all over the place. Like, you could just put it on your hair, dry your hair against your scalp, and then keep your curls intact. I haven't used this one yet, but I'm excited. This one looks a little funny, and this is the flyaway attachment. So, you know, when you have like a part, typically for me it's a middle part, and if you have those little frizzy flyaways, this is supposed to, let me get down, this is supposed to like tame the flyaways. You put it on its highest heat and like it will tame the flyaways and just have it laying flat, which is super cool. I haven't worn a wig in a long time, but can't wait to try that. And then it's this one. I'm not really too sure what this one does. I feel like it's to like help with the disbursement of air. I'm not sure if it slows it down or makes it wider. I'll have to look that up. But yeah, guys, this is a good one. This is a good one. It does have 3 speeds and cool shot. Okay, the next product is also something that I did not see myself buying. I actually hated it at first, and this is also because of my boyfriend as well. Like, I hated these, it's shoes. I hated these shoes and he liked them. He knew that they would look cute on me. I wanted a pair of Crocs, but I didn't get around to buying the Crocs because he bought me foam runners and I'm obsessed with them now. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know that I pretty much have on these shoes for everything. I go to the beach in these shoes. I run errands in these shoes. If it's anything that's not important, like, these shoes are on my feet and I don't feel no way about it, okay? So I love these shoes so much that I have 2 pairs now. I have it in bone, which was the first color that I bought, and then I got these. And yes, they are ugly, but they're comfortable. Like, they're so comfortable. It's so comfortable that I don't care that they're ugly, and that says a lot. I feel like they look cute on my feet. I dress them up, I dress them down. Like, I love them. I honestly love them. I know Yeezys are kind of hard to find, and like the resale price is ridiculous, but if you get your hands on some or try them on, I say get them. I say get them. They're so good. Like, especially if like you do hair or you're on your feet a lot, they will change your life. Okay, they will change your life. So yeah, guys, that wraps up today's video. Like I told you guys, it was going to be a little bit all over the place because I did not really try out new makeup this month and I wasn't wearing makeup this month, so my loves are all over the place. So if you guys enjoy videos like this, please give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't already subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.